Well, that's right. This controversy centers around a book called My Shadow is Pink, which teachers here at La Costa Heights Elementary had some students read last May without first notifying parents. Some of those parents then turned to the courts, saying that that book went against their personal and religious beliefs.
My shadow is pink. My shadow loves ponies and books and pink toys, princesses, fairies, and things not for boys.
It was this book that was assigned last spring as part of a special mentorship buddy program in which fifth grade students read to kindergartners, a book that, according to the court ruling, is about a boy who likes to wear dresses and play with toys associated with girls.
My fifth grade son came home really upset.
Carlos Encinitas is one of the plaintiffs in the case. He says he felt blindsided when he learned a book that he says dealt explicitly with gender ideology was assigned with no notice to parents.
We consider it to be explicit, sexually, gender related and complex, but they told us there's no option for an opt-out.
Ultimately leading Encinitas and other parents to go to court against the district.
We're not saying we want to change the curriculum. We just want the notification and the choice.
And a federal judge, at least in a preliminary injunction ruling, has now agreed, requiring parental notification and the possibility of opt-outs for gender identity topics in this buddy program.
Yeah, it violated the First Amendment right to be free to say or not say whatever they want to say.
Dean Broyle is chief counsel for the National Center for Law and Policy, which filed the complaint. He says the district now has the right to appeal the decision.
We're in for the whole ride, all the way to the Supreme Court if necessary.
This is censorship. This is not about this is inappropriate for any kid.
Kathy Molig is founder of the San Diego-based nonprofit Trans Family Support Services, advocating for transgender youth. She says books like My Shadow is Pink share ideas that all kids should be exposed to.
Shouldn't we all be teaching our very young kids about the acceptance of individuals for who they are, rather than pointing out all the things that make people different?
And we also reached out to the Encinitas Union School District. They had no comment other than to say that they've received the court's preliminary injunction ruling and are reviewing it with legal counsel.